Hello, my name is Raihan Jansmelendra Suryono, or you can call me Hans. Today I will show you my website, my prototype website called CityPulse. So CityPulse is a website where you can check your local event, whether it's just a community event or what's going on in your city. So the main idea of this web is when I was in high school, I had a problem finding event what's going on in my city, so I made this event. And also when I was in high school, I used to go to school using public transport, but whenever I use it, the bus stop always heavily damaged, and I don't know where to report this kind of problem. So I made this website. The idea why I made this website. So first, in the main page, we got discover local event. This is where you can find what's going on, the event going on in your city. In the top row is the carousel showing you what the the event that are going on today or in the next few days. This one is the main uh, local event area where you can see all the event in your area. Then you can change the category like music, sport and fitness, and then you can sort this by date or title like so. Next, let's check this one. So in the page you can see the title, the description, the tag, the date and time where the event is going on, the location you can also see on the map, and then set reminder and share the event. So next you can the next example is this one is event called downtown mural painting. It's require a RSVP. It has a limited slot, so uh, if there's not enough slot, you will not be able to RSVP the event. uh, in this The next page is propose event, is where you can propose the event, and uh, and the first form is the event title. You can here the event image, description of the event, the location of the event, category, date where you will want to the event is happening. For example, this 26, or you can with multiple days until the 28th, something like that. And if you want the event have a limited slot or require SVP, you can click this and you can choose the manual slot, and you can enable cancellation lock for within 5 days, so there's no reservation problem. Let's test it by clicking this button. I made this button only for the prototype, so it'd be easier. Let's do it again. I wanna do the RSVP one. Okay, let's do this. Let's say we have one slot. Okay, submit proposal. Okay, done. And the event is this one, Starlight Summer Artisan Market. And you go here and press the RSVP. See, the event is full, is changed in a spot, so you can attend this, can RSVP this event again. So next is the community safety. So in this page, the map view is supposed to show you the what's going on in your city. For example, like this one, road sidewalk, dangerous hole, hazard for drive downtown. But the Firebase cannot do the Google Map, so I just show you my idea what I want to do. in this map view. Also in the community safety tab, there is like an Amber Alert warning on the top that show you warning in your city, for example a heavy rain like this. Please exercise caution and monitor local news outlet for update. The next step is the resource. In this source you can find the resource for local police department, for emergency only, city health service, information about the public health, public service, report issues, or the AI support chat if you want ask question about whatever you think of. And then in the submit community report is where you submit a problem in your city. For example, you can report a crime to the police, the health service, if the health service like hospital doing something that are not they supposed to do, public services if they're damaged, or you want to add a complaint about the public service. Let's test it with the public service. There is a specific issue, for example the sanitation, roadwalk, park or public spaces, water utility or others. Location of the issue, detail of the report, image, submit anonymously. Then this is for the consent. And then in the police you can add the urgency level from information only, medium, high or urgent, but we recommend it for the urgent to call 911. And then in the date you can approximate date and time of the event of the crime, type of incident, thief, vandalism, noise complaint, suspicious activity, traffic violation or others. Location, number of people involved. Then you can write the detail about the crime, the image, and also you can submit anonymously. And health service the same. Can, for example, for food safety concern, if there a restaurant that violated the food safety concern, clinical hospital feedback, public health nuisance, mental health resource inquiry, and other. It's the same. So let's test out with the public service. Autofill this, see, then submit the report. Public service feedback submitted, thank you. If you and this one is the profile page. You can see the RSVP event. For example, this one I want to cancel it. You can click this one again. You're no longer RSVP in this event. If you go to your profile, it's gone. And then this is the event that's reported, this one and this one. See, I think the last report is anonymous, so it's not on my not on my page. Okay, showing up now. It is showing the report ID, category, and the location submitted. The last time is submitted in the description. So that's it for the website. Thank you.